Business process mapping doesn't have to be complicated or time-consuming. Stay tuned as I show you how to map your processes easily right now.
Hello, and welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, welcome, and please consider subscribing. Hello, I'm Tamara, a certified project manager and senior accountant that likes to share the lessons that I've learned from 15 and a half years as a business analyst / senior accountant and digital consultant. If you would like to learn more about me, click the link in the description. And let's get into what we have for you guys today. Business growth strategies are the smartest way to grow your business this year. Business process mapping is a business growth strategy, and it is the easiest way for you to figure out which projects are helping your business grow and which ones are sucking the resources out of your business. Business process documentation does not have to be complicated or time-consuming. Keep watching to discover how you can create a simple process map that you can use in your business right now. Before we get too deep into this topic, let's clarify what a business process is. A business process is a series of steps that work together to get something done in your business. An example would be a sales call or an email sequence. When you're running a business, your day-to-day goes a lot smoother when you know what to do from start to finish. Have you ever had the unfortunate experience of trying to get something done? You have no idea how you did it the last time, and you have to physically go in and open up an entire course to find it just to learn how to do it all over again? Yeah, this happens to the best of us, and fortunately, this is how business process mapping can help. Most business processes have 5 to 7 steps. As you work through your business process map, keep an eye out for junk processes that aren't helping your business at all, or duplicate processes, which are actually very common. Now we're going to go over the quick and easy steps to build your process map. Step 1, identify the process that you want to document. In our example, we're going to highlight an email sequence process. Step 2, create a swim lane. Step 3, label each lane with the roles in the process. In our process, we are going to have 3 lanes, one for you, one for your virtual assistant, and one for your copywriter. Step 4, add in the steps in the process in their respective lane. We typically use role to establish accountability. So now let's match up the steps in our email sequence with their respective role and complete this swim lane. The first step in the email sequence is to set a goal. Setting a goal is something that's usually done by you, so we're going to put this in your swim lane. The next step is to determine how many emails that you're going to need. For this particular step, it is usually going to be the copywriter, but sometimes you're going to be involved in that decision as well. So for our particular example, we're going to share this responsibility with you and the copywriter. Next step will be to write the emails. This step we are going to assign to our copywriter. The next step is to determine whether or not we have enough emails to meet the business goal. This step is going to be assigned to the copywriter. This is also going to be a decision step. So what happens here is if the answer is yes, one thing is going to happen, and if the answer is no, then another thing is going to happen. So let's go over what happens if the answer is yes. If we've written enough emails to meet the business goal, then we are going to proceed to the next step. If we have not written enough emails to meet the business goal, then we're going to go back to the previous step, which is to write more emails until we get to a point where we feel as though we've written enough emails to meet the business goal. Next step, load the emails into the autoresponder. This step will be done by your virtual assistant. Then we're going to send out test emails to make sure that our autoresponder is working properly. This step will be assigned to your virtual assistant as well. But this is also another decision-making step, which means something's going to happen if we say, yes, everything's working properly, and something else is going to happen if it's not. So if it is, then we're going to end our swim lane here. we are finished with our process and everything is working properly and as expected. If it is not firing properly, then what we're going to have to do is go to the next step, which is troubleshoot. And this will be done by the virtual assistant as well. And what happens is after we troubleshoot and we get to a point where everything is firing and working as expected, then we will close the swim lane and the process will be complete. Guys, if you need more help building your processes, then take advantage of our free 7-day challenge that we are offering right now. You will get a deep dive into how to build your processes, how to re-engineer the existing processes that you have, how to remove the junk processes from your business, and identify the duplicates and remove those as well. Click the link in the description to get started today. How are you using processes in your business? Let us know in the comments. If you got value from this video, please like, share, subscribe, and turn on the notification bells. And we'll see you next time.